So sa tansya ng Department of Finance is around 50 billion ang mawawala doon sa pagtaas ng exemption to 350. At may pangalawang aspeto po dyan, yung pagtaas naman ng 13th month pay exemption. Kasi dalawang pag-compute ng taxable income mo kung ikaw ay salaried worker. Tinitingnan muna yung gross income mo. Kapag doon, ito total, ibabawas doon yung statutory deduction. Tapos idinagdagdag dyan yung iyong other incomes for the year. At kadalasan yan ay yung 13th month. Pwedeng 13th month, 14th month, 15th month, service incentive, kung ano-ano, anniversary bonus, iba-ibang tawag dyan. But any compensation that you receive outside of your regular paycheck, ang tawag dyan ay nakalump together yan as 13th month pay. Today po, yan ay exempted from paying taxes kung hindi kayo lalagpas ng 90,000. Pero ito po, i-adjust din po ito. From 90, gagawing 120,000 po ito. Kung total bonuses, wala po kayong babayarang buwis dyan.